Using Monday.com as a CRM tool involves customizing your board to manage customer interactions, track sales, and streamline communication. Here's how to set it up. Log in and create a new board. Log into Monday.com and click Plus New Board from your dashboard. Name your board and choose a blank board or a CRM template. Add relevant columns. Customize your board with columns suited for CRM needs. Contact name, company, email and phone, status, deal value, follow-up date. Use automations. Set up automations to streamline CRM tasks. For example, automate reminders for follow-up dates or notifications when a deal status changes. Click on automations and configure triggers and actions. Create dashboards. Build dashboards to visualize CRM data. Add widgets to display sales pipelines, deal values, or customer interactions. Click on Dashboards and select Add Widget to customize your view. Integrate with other tools. Enhance CRM functionality by integrating with email, calendar, or other communication tools. Use the Integrations tab to connect Monday.com with apps like Gmail, Outlook, or Slack. Track and manage. Regularly update and manage customer information. Track interactions and analyze CRM data to improve customer relationships and sales strategies.